We have some more breaking news coming in. Congress has lashed out at the BJP ally JDS. Congress has said another NDA Shehzada has been arrested. Congress hits out at NDA, mocks rich legacy. This is Kerala Congress that is posted on social media saying one more Shehzada of NDA alliance has been arrested for sexual abuse, this time for raping a man. Suraj is grandson of former PM Devegowda and son of Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy's brother H.D. Revanna. His brother Prajwal Revanna is behind bars for sexually abusing hundreds of women and making nearly 3,000 videos of them, is what has been said in the tweet. Anaga Keshav is joining us live on the broadcast. Anaga, Congress is ramping up attack on the Revanna family as well as NDA. Tell us more.
Well, Chetna, at this point, the Congress is taking up everything that it can to attack BJP and its alliance partner, JDS. They are stating that, yet another NDA alliance, that is the JDS. Before Suraj, it was Prajwal and his father, Revanna. Revanna's wife, Bhavani, is currently on an anticipatory bail. So they are clearly targeting the BJP for its poor choice of choosing its alliance partners, stating that the BJP is choosing only sexual predators as its alliance partners is what the Congress wing in Kerala is indirectly implying. They've also pointed out at Prajwal Revanna's history, stating that there were close to 3,000 videos of sexual harassment that was allegedly recorded by Prajwal Revanna, in order to sexually molest and rape thousands of women. That's the kind of, allegation that the Congress in Kerala is making, pointing out fingers at the BJP for its choices of alliance partners.
Right. Thank you, Anaga, for joining us with all those details. Karnataka police has arrested Suraj Revanna in the sexual assault case. Remember, Suraj is brother of rape-accused Prajwal Revanna. The police action came after a JDS worker filed the case against Suraj on Saturday, alleging that he was sexually assaulted by him at the Revanna farmhouse on the 16th of June. The victim claimed that Suraj forcefully kissed him and bit his lips and cheeks. The victim further claimed that Suraj threatened him and coerced him into engaging in unnatural sexual acts. He alleged that Suraj further warned to kill him if he informed anyone about the incident. The JDS leader has said that this is a political conspiracy hatched against him and the law will uncover the truth. He claimed that the man filed a false complaint against him when he refused to pay him rupees 5 crores.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆರೋಪ ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಷಯ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ಒಂದು ಇದಿದೆ, ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮೊನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹುಡುಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಫ್.ಐ.ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಫ್.ಐ.ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಫ್.ಐ.ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನು ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು, ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದು ತನಿಖೆ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಸತ್ಯಗಳು ಅದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾನೂನು, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ಕಾನೂನು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಇವರು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ತನಿಖೆ ಪ್ರಗತಿಲಿದೆ, ಸತ್ಯಾಸತ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Law is there. Who had made the offense? Surely the law will. We have to see to the law, right?